In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Japanese bank account to your PayPal. If you're looking to manage your finances efficiently, linking your local bank account to PayPal is a smart move. Whether you're buying goods online or managing subscriptions, having your accounts connected can streamline your digital transactions. Let's dive right into the steps to get you all set up in just about 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head over to the PayPal website. This can be done on a computer or a mobile device, whichever you find more convenient. Once there, locate the login button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials, so go ahead and log into your PayPal account using your username and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might need to confirm your identity by receiving a text message. You can choose to get this message via WhatsApp or as a regular text. Select the option that works best for you and follow the instructions. This step is crucial to ensure your account's security. Once you're logged in, you will land on the PayPal homepage. From this overview screen, look for the option labeled Link a Bank. Click on it to start the process of connecting your Japanese bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details at this point. Make sure to have your bank account number and branch code handy, as you'll need these to accurately fill in the required fields. Double check your entries to avoid any mistakes, as incorrect information can lead to issues with linking your account. With your bank details entered and verified, PayPal might perform a couple of other security checks to ensure everything is safe and legitimate. Follow any additional prompts to complete these steps. Once everything is confirmed, you will have successfully linked your Japanese bank account to your PayPal profile, giving you the ability to transfer funds between your PayPal account and your local bank conveniently. By having your accounts linked, you gain more control over your online financial transactions, allowing for swift transfers and easy management. It simplifies how you handle payments and receive money, whether you're conducting personal transactions or engaging in business operations. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, your Japanese bank account is now connected to PayPal. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear. If you encountered any issues during the process, be sure to double check your information or contact PayPal support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful guides.